So today I'm going to teach you how to use the LA Girl Beauty Brick, which has a bronzer, a natural highlighter and 2 blushes. Using an angled contour brush, we're going to start off with the bronzer. Make sure to tap it off just so you don't have too much product on the brush, and then we're going to apply this to the hollows of the cheekbone. So once you've contoured your cheekbones, you can blend that bronzer upwards just so it doesn't look too harsh. Now with the bronzer, you can also use it to contour your nose, the sides of your jaw, and around the forehead. Now you want to make sure you blend all of that out and blend it well, and if you think you've applied too much, you can always go in with some face powder. So looking at the side by side, you can really see how much the bronzer has defined my face, and also it's brought a lot of colour back into it as well. Using a small blending brush, we're going to go in with the highlighter, and we're going to highlight the nose, the cupid's bow, above and under the brow. Also you can use the highlighter in the corner of the eyes as well. So you want to apply the highlight to the top of the cheekbones for that really glowy reflective look. Now this blush is super pigmented, so you want to apply a little amount to your brush and make sure you tap your brush off. Now you want to feather the blusher on, you don't want to apply too much pressure, otherwise that might deposit too much product and you'll end up with hot pink cheeks, so be very light-handed when doing this. This is a great palette to create a warm contour or to simply bronze up your skin. It has the highlighter, which is going to make your skin glow, and then you have the blusher, which just adds that extra pop of colour to your cheeks. So I hope you found this how-to video helpful.